What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing another reaction video. In today's reaction video, we're gonna be reacting to Animal Voice Cover Compilation by John Hunt. So I've seen some of these before, and this is actually gonna be the 19th one, but I've seen most of them. I've seen all the way up to, I think, up to 17. I haven't seen 18 or 19, so yeah. So, and I was gonna react to 18 by myself. I don't know why, but don't worry about that. But yeah, I'm gonna go and just watch 19. I'm gonna show y'all my reaction on it, so I hope y'all like it. Let's get into it. Ooh, the vocals.
Yeah. Give your boy some R. Kelly. Hey, yo, what up? IG, it's your boy Ryan. Right beside me, I got my OG George. Hey, George, say something to the people, bro. Anybody know what allowed it? Hey, Leroy, man, come over here, man. Get in the camera, bro. Nah, I ain't got no haircut.
Damn, get your mouth off the camera, big fella.
Something to get into on this beautiful Friday, but what you up?
First, I must warn you that I was trained by Bruce Lee. I am an original black belt, my friend.
What the hell?
You're coming to jump me. Let's do this.
Oh, switch to left, switch to right. Ooh, about to get jumped by these dogs. Swing to the left, swing to the right. Come on now. Ooh, damn, they fell out, yeah. Ooh, knock them niggas out.
Your friends, they're running. You should do the same thing. You must be water, my friend.
You must be like water.
Let's do this.
What the hell's going on? He's just looking at him. Ooh, watch out from behind. The niggas be sneaking. Ooh, they sneaking on you, big fella. Oh, damn. Oh, my gosh.
But I got you too.
Oh, I hate spiders. I hate spiders. My skin just started crawling. Oh, gosh. I hate spiders with a passion. Oh. Hold up, rewind that. Look how quick he spun him in that web. Oh my gosh.
Sam, you better stop before you knock
So he spun him in that web in like 2 seconds. Oh no.
See what I'm saying? Not a house talking. I'm out of here, bro.
I just knocked it off the table. You ain't trying. Y'all take it off running like y'all scared. I'ma sit there like a man. Shut up, house. Shut up, house. What did you do? I don't know. I was asleep, bro.
Today, I come in agreement with every chicken out here and say, no more fried chicken. No more pumping chickens with steroids like they some type of athletes or something.
Damn. Hey man. Say it again, sir. Preach it.
No more taking mama eggs and making sunny side up and bacon in the morning.
There we go. That's the man I want for my leader right there.
I have a dream, like Martin Luther King,
Ooh.
that no chicken will be ever sold in the stores ever again.
Hey, make sure y'all go get some of that fire, whatever that. Okay, boss.
Man, what this? Man, get your finger out of here, man. Man, get your. I'm gonna bite you.
Yeah.
Are those fires?
That finger tastes just like pussy. Taste that Rick.
Put that boy in my face.
What the
Go
hell?
get some of this sweetness.
He just let these ants bite him?
Oh, wait. That thing sweet.
It's like watermelon.
Oh, Lord.
It's so good, my friend. I bet she shaved.
Boy, take your late birthday cake.
Make a wish.
Cake batter.
What the hell?
Get that? This nigga mouth tastes like moonshine.
Ew.
I can tell. You been eating Miss Louise booty. Next up.
Oh, that's gross.
Smell like a fresh turd.
That's Nancy eating booty. Eating. Oh Lord. Must be listening to Kevin Gates, huh?
Dang, Zephyr.
Yo, this dog is going ham on his mouth. How is he not waking up? That's so gross. Ooh. Pow. Ooh.
Now give me the whole menu.
Ooh. Got the
The
hands
doc
of
had to
steel.
remove my balls because you gave me some, Lily.
I ain't give you nothing.
So you just gonna sit there and lie? I oughta smack the life out of you. So now I gotta go through life with nothing but a sack with no balls in
Oh,
it.
I've seen this one already.
Oh, you think it's funny?
Let's give him some of that funk, Jim. Yeah, girl.
Gotta excuse me because I got a little Hennessy in my system right now. But I'm gonna break it down for the ladies.
Baby
Something like
Rhino
this.
got some
I
for
wanna
the
eat
ladies.
your booty like grocery.
Oh, stop it, big
And I
fella.
want that thing straight off the toilet, please. I want that booty to be funky. So eat a lot of cheese and some pinto beans. Thank y'all so much.
Oh my gosh, that was nasty. Yo. Yeah, guys, that was actually pretty funny. It was pretty silly, you know, just seeing those animals talk with the voiceovers. It's pretty funny. Yeah, so make sure to go subscribe to the channel that you guys saw this from, and make sure to put the original link in the description so you can check that out by yourselves. You know, alright, so I'll see y'all in the next video, and peace.